Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I share with you some beautiful crochet bottle holder designs. A crochet bottle holder is a handmade accessory created using crochet techniques to hold bottles securely. It typically features a loop or a strap that can be slung over the shoulder or attached to a bag. These holders are not only functional but also customizable in terms of color, pattern, and design. They are popular for carrying water bottles or beverage containers with a touch of personal style. Here are some tips for making a crochet bottle holder. Select appropriate yarn. Choose a double yarn that can withstand the weight of a bottle. Cotton yarn is often a good choice for its strength and absorbency. Choose a suitable hook size. Use a crochet hook size that complements the yarn thickness. Check the yarn label for recommended hook size. Measure the bottle. Before starting, measure the dimensions of the bottle you intend to carry to ensure a snug fit. Adjustable straps. If you want versatility, consider making the straps adjustable. This allows you to change the length based on your preference. Stitch selection. Experiment with different crochet stitches to create texture and interest. Common stitches include single crochet, double crochet, and granny stitches. Tighten stitches. Make sure your stitches are tight enough to provide ample support for the bottle. Loose stitches may not hold the bottle securely. Bottom reinforcement. Add a reinforced bottom to the holder for extra stability. This can be achieved by crocheting in a circular pattern or by adding a separate circular base. Incorporate color changes. Have fun with color changes to create pattern or strips. This is an excellent way to personalize your bottle holder. Consider a button or drawstring closer. If you want to ensure your bottle stays in place, consider adding a button or drawstring closer to secure the top. Experiment with embellishments. Add embellishments like beads, creams, or tassels to enhance the aesthetic appeal of your bottle holder. Lining option. Consider adding a fabric lining to the inside of the bottle holder. This can provide extra support, prevent stressing, and enhance the overall durability. Remember to adapt these tips based on your preferences and the specific design you have in mind. Happy crocheting! Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel.